Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can create a user in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So for that, you can just quickly go to Profile. Inside the profile, just click on Setup. Once you click on Setup, the dashboard will open. Go to in your lab section. Inside the Administration, you can see the User drop down. Inside that, just click on Users. Once you click, then you can see these types of configs. In top left, you can see Create button. Just simply click on that. So they will ask you a couple of options, so you can fill out that information. In Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you have to verify a email address once, and that will store along. You will not need to verify again and again. So you can see I have added an email address, and now I'm able to click on that. But if I use already verified email and try to click on verify, that time I'm not able to do that. So only one time verification required. So once you config user, then it will send you a mail. You can just verify once and they will tokenize your user. You have a couple of options. Actionality you can leave it as it is. They will not generate it. If you want to set any specific time zone, you can. If you want to set any culture code, you can. If you want to make it API user, you can check this checkbox, otherwise leave it. Currently I'm leave it. In later video we can discuss this as well. Set a temporary password which user can enable to log in, re-verify it, and just click on save. So once you click on save, your user was saved, and here you can see the user is not yet verified. You can just go to the email and check have you received the email. If not, then again edit and click on verify button. So it will trigger a one more email to your account. You have to verify once and then you don't need to verify again and again. We have a couple of more configuration. Once we create a user, we can see the Salesforce status, integrate option, enable disable option. You can also set the authentication method on your device. You can use Salesforce Authenticator, whatever you want you can use. So yeah, that's all about this video. In later video, we can assign roles and permission to particular user. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.